Welcome to the Bible in a Jiffy. Today, we explore Leviticus chapters 13 to 15, where God teaches His people about purity, restoration, and how to live set apart. Chapter 13 gives instructions on identifying skin diseases like leprosy. These weren't just medical concerns. They symbolized spiritual impurity. The priest examined anyone with symptoms and declared them either clean or unclean. If unclean, the person had to live outside the camp. It's a tough image, but it reminds us that sin isolates, and only God can truly restore. In chapter 14, we see the process of cleansing a healed person. 2 birds were used, one sacrificed, and the other released into the open field. This beautiful symbol shows that someone once unclean could be declared clean again, through blood and freedom. It's a powerful image of Jesus, who died and rose to give us full restoration. In chapter 15, God addresses discharges and personal bodily flows. Though these details may feel uncomfortable, they show how God cares about every part of our lives, even the private. Holiness isn't just for worship services. It's for everyday living, in body, mind, and spirit. Jesus in Leviticus 13 to 15. These chapters may feel heavy, but they point us straight to Jesus. Jesus is the better high priest. He touches lepers and makes them clean. Matthew 8, 2-3. He brings full healing and restores the outcast. He's the great healer, who doesn't avoid the unclean. He cleanses them. His blood and spirit cleanse us from all unrighteousness. Inside and out, He doesn't cast out the defiled. He welcomes them back, whole and holy. This has been the Bible in a Jiffy. Join us tomorrow for Leviticus chapters 16 through 18. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow in God's Word together, one chapter at a time.